Ron Ananian The Car Doctor. I told you about it. Here it is, the new Sunex Juic'd Box, right? This is their latest in the lineup, solid steel. When I tell you how this thing was put together, it got shipped to us. It was on a pallet that was, I gotta tell you, it was the best wrapping and support of a toolbox I've seen in my 53 years of fixing cars. Come on in, Kathy. Kathy's on the camera today, so we'll see how she does. This is her first time. All right. Very nice presentation. They've got protective edge liners. All right. Nice big top drawer. Electrified. So we're going to put some scan tools up here and put this to good use. All right. The drawers are spacious. All right. So on and so on and so on. All right. It gives a lot of storage, a lot of bang for the buck. And here's my favorite part, right? Up top, you can put your battery packs up top here. There's a way that you can bring electric up here, right? Because there's cords coming in from the back. And then, Kath, come down to the bottom. We've got USB ports, electrical outlets, and then if you want, you can store your cordless impact tools, which is just a great place to put them instead of taking up drawer space. They're piled, they're hanging. It just gives you some good options. It's a nice box. It's great value for the money. We're going to be doing some work with Sunex in the coming weeks and months, so you can look forward to that. We're going to be doing some videos using their tools, showing you what they can do. Just wanted you to see the unveiling. Till then, I'm Ron Ananian The Car Doctor. I'll see you guys on radio.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian The Car Doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.